Hello everyone, welcome to day 1 of our AI crash course. Today's theme is what is AI and how it fits into our daily life. Think about your morning, Face ID to unlock your phone, Google Maps for traffic, YouTube or Netflix recommendations, even your spam filter. Yes, all of these are AI in action. What is AI? AI means machines mimicking human intelligence, learning, reasoning, problem solving, and communication. Examples: learning Spotify suggesting songs, reasoning Google Maps finding the best route, problem solving chatbots answering questions, communication Google Translate. Quick activity: tell me one daily task you find difficult, emails, remembering meetings, or organizing tasks. Let's see how AI could help with that. Why care about AI? AI saves time and effort in personal and work life. Personal: drafts emails, summarizes PDFs, plans travel. Workplace: HR job descriptions, teachers quizzes, managers meeting notes. Mini exercise: imagine you forgot your talking points for a parent-teacher meeting. Let's see how ChatGPT can create them in seconds. Two powerful AI tools. Tool 1. ChatGPT helps write, summarize, plan. Example: write a leave request for Friday. Tool 2. Google Gemini gives smart summaries instead of just links. Example: compare two smartphones under 20,000 rupees with pros and cons. AI myths. AI is not magic, it works on data. AI won't replace all jobs, it automates repetitive ones. AI is not always right, always cross-check facts. Applications and AMP, foundations. AI touches every field: health, finance, education, agriculture, smart homes, space. Branches include machine learning, computer vision, robotics, and more. Quick Spot game, which uses AI, calculator, Swiggy, Grammarly, self-driving car. Evolution of AI. From Turing's question, can machines think, in 1950, to IBM Deep Blue beating Kasparov in 1997. To today's ChatGPT and Gemini, AI has come a long way. Types of AI. Narrow AI single task, Siri, Netflix. General AI human-like, still theory. Super AI smarter than humans, fiction. Discussion: do you think super AI will ever exist? Benefits versus limitations. Benefits: saves time, accurate, 24/7, handles big data. Limitations: high cost, no emotions, job risks, privacy issues. Which limitation worries you the most? Homework: use ChatGPT or Gemini tonight for one real task, maybe writing an email, summarizing an article, or planning a meal. Write down what task you gave AI, how much time it saved, how useful it was. See you tomorrow.